Hello everyone. So welcome to the TSS. We at last we came to the stage of data visualization of a data frame. It's an exciting topic. How to visualize the data. So the Pandas comes with an inbuilt plotting capability by using Matplotlib plotting library. So the exciting part of Pandas is it comes integratedly with an integrated function called plotting by making use of matplotlib. Matplotlib is a plotting library. It is an also an open source library for Python for the purpose of plotting. Okay, plotting means you can develop some graphs that shows how the data is related, how the data was spread. Okay, so different in the school days we had already saw in the college days some bar plots. And the best example is in our cricket. So the World Cup is going on. So everybody is sticking to the TVs. So uh, in the scoreboard, what we see? So in the scoreboard will be appeared in the graphical format like in the bar chart. Some bars are appearing, some how many scores are scored in the particular overs. So on the x-axis uh, overs will be there, first over, second over, third over, fourth over, like that. And in the y-axis the number of runs scored, like that. And say some bars are popped out to represent how much of scores was scored by a team in a particular over. Okay, so all that stuff are displayed by that TV channels in our cricket. So like that. So pandas will have the inbuilt capability. Pandas is having the inbuilt capability of plotting the data to visualize the data so that it will be understand quickly, friends. Okay, why data visualization means? So data visualizations are very much important. It's very much important. We cannot take it lightly, and we should not take it lightly uh, because data visualizations makes us understand the data quickly and efficiently. So if you want to explain some things, some thousand words is not enough. A diagram can convey more information, more meaning. And with a diagram we can understand data very clearly instead of uh, trying to explain the same data, the same meaning in the thousand words. We can simply show all the data in a diagram format. So that is the power of diagram. With the diagram, a human mind can understand much more. So images can be understand much more when compared to a spoken words or written statements. Okay, so that's why diagrams, these plots and visualizations are plays very vital role in data science projects, friends. So let us discuss the syntax of this pandas package of plotting library. So we need to give df dot plot. See, we have to call the plot method. So in the plot method, there are so many arguments are there, and it is not possible to discuss all these arguments. And so let's discuss some important arguments. Okay, some x is equal to, say x means, so in the x-axis what data should be passed, and then in the y-axis. Y-axis means you already know. Y-axis means vertical axis. X-axis means horizontal axis. In our college studies, school studies, we had drawn in the exams by taking the graph and scale. Okay, so x, y, all those stuff we had already done. So I am taking all those things for granted by understanding that you already know those topics, and then I am directly telling. So x is x axis and y is vertical axis. So what data should be on x axis and what data should be on y axis, and then what type of plot should be given here, will be passed here. Kind is equal to line. For line plot, this should be in line. For some scatter plot, the scatter keyword should be given here. And for box plot, and for area plot, and for bar plot, all those different kind of plots, you need to pass the appropriate keyword here. And then and another more important is fixed size. Fixed size means the size of the diagram, how much length and breadth uh, to use, will be represented by fixed size. And then title is one more important. Title is equal to, it will be appeared on the top of the diagram. Okay, there are so many other arguments are there. So this much is enough to discuss this data visualization. And in the next class we will discuss and we will show up the plots. Okay friends, so till then, bye bye. Your Svira signing off. Thank you for listening.